Welcome to another segment with UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide into the ever-evolving world of enterprise software, where we explore fresh trends and their potential impact on maintenance and operations teams. Today, we're stepping into a hot geopolitical issue that could have a profound impact on the global economy, much like the crash of 1929. We'll discuss the role of Taiwan as a global semiconductor powerhouse, the importance of the Chips and Science Act, and the delicate balance of taxes and tariffs. Let's explore how all these factors intertwine and what it means for future trade relations and our own manufacturing capabilities. Let's dive right into a topic that's been making headlines recently. According to Business Insider, a potential Chinese invasion of Taiwan could lead to trillions of dollars in losses and a serious global recession. Glenn O'Donnell, the vice president and research director at Forrester, even suggested that the impact on the global economy could be bigger than the crash of 1929. Now, you might be wondering, why is this relevant to us? Well, the U.S. has always supported Taiwan not only for political and moral reasons, but also to protect our economy. Taiwan is one of the world's largest producers of semiconductor chips and is home to TSMC, the global leader in chip manufacturing. We've seen firsthand during the recent pandemic how a disruption in the supply chain of these chips can slow down the manufacture of everything from cars to smartphones. For instance, Ford couldn't produce more than 1.1 million cars due to the chip shortage during COVID. So, we're at a crucial juncture now. While we must defend Taiwan due to the potential impact on our economy, it's also time to reduce America's reliance on other countries for key components like semiconductor chips. This brings us to the recently passed Chips and Science Act. This act aims to bolster U.S. leadership in the semiconductor industry by providing $52.7 billion for American semiconductor research, development, manufacturing, and workforce development. The hope is that this stimulus will eventually kickstart more semiconductor production within our own country. But let's not forget about the role of taxes and tariffs in international conflicts. While they've traditionally been used as a response to such conflicts, they can also negatively affect a free and open economy. For instance, a few years ago, the Trump administration increased the cost of duties on Chinese imports. And today, CNBC reports that the current administration is trying to balance not escalating the situation with China while also not appearing to retreat in the face of the communist country's aggression. However, it's important to note that taxes and tariffs can significantly affect both the demand and supply of imports and exports and the price of goods. While tariffs can protect domestic manufacturing industries by making imported goods more expensive, China may retaliate, leading to higher prices overall and potentially greater global inflation. Looking beyond the current conflict, I believe it's crucial for our country to continue improving our relationship with China. We've outsourced a lot of manufacturing to China, which has allowed the country to excel in high-end, advanced manufacturing and reliability. Ignoring the world's second most powerful economy is not an option. Instead, there's an opportunity for companies in both countries to accelerate innovation, which is a natural outcome of a global open market competition. So, what's the bottom line? We need a multifaceted approach. We need to back Taiwan in the current conflict, shore up domestic manufacturing, and improve our relationship with China for long-term growth and stability. Global challenges, whether they're pandemics, geopolitical conflict, or natural disasters, will continue to arise. In our increasingly interdependent world, these situations will inevitably affect supply chains and local economies. Yes, we can get through these conflicts and difficulties as COVID has proven, but at what cost? The current China-Taiwan situation is just another reminder that we need to continue to put into place measures that can minimize the impact of these inevitable conflicts. And that's the end of our deep dive for today. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of geopolitical issues and their impact on the global economy. We've discussed the role of Taiwan, the Chips and Science Act, and the delicate balance of taxes and tariffs. Remember, to navigate these complex issues, we need a multifaceted approach. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay informed and stay resilient.